Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to stream to Discord with your PS5. All right, let's begin. First, on your PS5, go to the settings cog in the top right corner, then select System. Scroll down to Remote Play and toggle it on. After that, on your computer, open a web browser, go to Google, search for Remote Play, and select PlayStation Remote Play. Download and install the application. Then sign into your PlayStation Network account and connect a controller to your computer via USB or Bluetooth. Now select your PS5 console and wait a few seconds to connect. Then, make Remote Play full screen, adjust audio, and mute your microphone if needed. Finally, open Discord, join a voice channel, and select Share Your Screen. Choose Entire Screen and toggle System Audio on, then click Share. Now just open PlayStation Remote Play and everyone in your Discord voice chat can see your gameplay. So that's basically how you can stream to Discord with your PS5. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.